Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. So a little off topic today. This is my brother's 2011 Nissan Sentra. The family got this brand new and it's sitting at 170,000 miles. Just recently it had an engine timing code. One of the things that I did to try to solve it was replace the VVT solenoid, which sits right down there in the engine. So we replaced it and then cleared the codes and it came back. One of the things that there's left to do is change the timing chain. But what I'm trying to do is use the Valvoline Restore and Protect to see if it could potentially salvage the situation. This is a Hail Mary effort to see if we can solve the engine code issues. This idea came to me after having a very questionable conversation with AI around Valvoline. I won't go into the details about that, but we're gonna give this a try and see if it works. Well, here we go. Well folks, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. So we know it's 170,000 miles. The plan is to replace the oil at 3,000 miles, do another run of a 3,000 mile oil change on Valvoline Restore and Protect, and then clear the engine code to see if it comes back. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, thank you again. Please like and subscribe. Talk soon.